Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today I will be cooking and trying king crab for the very first time. So let's do this! What the heck I do to me on here? But it tastes darn good. So this is how the king crab looks. I know it looks a little bit dirty, but it was washed and clean and scrubbed already. Now you have to try not to get the king crab with the eggs. The fishermen should put it back in the ocean. Alright, so let's go ahead to boil our king crab. We're using one big old pot of water, and we're going to add some sea salt. Well, pink salt we were using. And you have to use a lot. You have to salt the water a lot because fresh crab not really tastes good. I'm just going to dump it in there, and then we're going to add some jerk seasoning. This is a quick way to get some flavor in there. We added some garlic powder and then a scotch bonnet pepper, and we placed the crabs in it and just wait for it to come to a boil. We cooked it for around 20 to 30 minutes, even though Google said you should boil it for around 12 minutes the most. But you know, we're Jamaicans, we have to ensure say inside cook really good, because we not get sick by undercooked food, no way. So it's time to finally taste this, and we're so excited, you know. First time I eat king crab, you know. So everybody broke off a piece of leg, and there I was cracking into it, and some of the meat started fall off, bro. Without it even going into my mouth, and I was like, what is this? Where's the meat? I'm there and try cracking, you know. Yo. We always see people use this, the shell cracker. Yes. I'm a cracker. I say, alright, I will get some meat. Let's see, I'm going to be gentle, or I'm probably not. And I'm just getting like some little juices or a little meat there and there. So right now, from my experience of eating crabs, this is not a belly full. You cannot fill your belly off a crab meat. It is like a little appetizer to prep you up for the next course. Fun, you know, this is just more like fun. More like fun. Not much like. Yes, I know belly full this. Can crab on some people because they're expensive. That's not what fit in nice. Easier than chicken, and they get more chicken. You buy one chicken, you get the whole of your chicken. And even though it's not a belly full, it's so addictive though. You keep going back for more. And sometimes you're going to get thirsty and you need to drink something down. A beer would go good with this. I was trying to get my daughter to taste it, but she said it looked like a spider. So she was more afraid of it and she didn't want to try it. So we end up singing some spider songs. There's a spider. You want to eat a spider? Huh?
It's a spider.
Went up the water sprout. In came grandpa, put him in the pot and cook him out. I hate this, you know. It's a egg.
That tastes good. Tastes like that. So my mom wanted me to try the egg of the crab. What is that? This tasted so good. Like, this is one of the best parts in the crab. And then I went on the search for more because I was like, yo, this have a vibes. Right now I'm trying the little soft part at the front of the crab, And I love it because my teeth can just go in there and chew it up and get some of that nice crab juices. So I love that part as well. Now it's time to move on to the other part of the crab that I have always been excited to try, the crab head. But no, so the crab never tastes so good. So let's try the other crab head and see if it's better. I'm hoping for the best. So I get my spoon and I dig in. What the heck do to me on here? But it tastes darn good. It's good. As I said, it is very addictive. Like, you're not getting a whole heap of meat, but you're still going in there to suck out more. And sometimes you find a piece with a lot of meat in there, like this one. Yeah, so you can really enjoy this part of the crab. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content. I will be bringing them to you. Like, share, and comment. Or is it like, comment, and share? Bye.